another adventure. We are going to Jutland. As we cannot travel outside, we can though right now, but I'm gonna stay in Denmark, as it was my plan this year to explore more of Denmark and see more of the country that I'm living at. Fun! I'm so excited. Me and my friend, we are gonna travel around, and also I'm gonna go other cities without her and gonna meet with other friends. So this is gonna be fun. I hope you enjoy this one. I think I'm gonna cut it in different vlogs, so it's shorter. The first destination is Ribe. I hope you enjoy it. See you later.
The Viking Center.
Hi guys, so Pia. She planned everything actually for this trip. So we are going to...
So you're giving me the responsibility. If anything sucks, it's my fault.
No!
Or it's gonna be like, if anything is good, it's my fault. Yeah, let's do it this way.
Everything, if everything is good, it's gonna be good, and it's you who made that.
The first one you were saying it, and it's raining, and she planned everything.
Oh my god, you didn't plan the rain.
and we're just gonna have fun.
Yes.
Anyways,
yes. So she's gonna be patient with me while I'm filming, as always.
I'm thrilled to be famous. I'm gonna send this video to all my friends and be like, I've already done that. Every video you've made with me on, even like on the TV, like Netflix partying, I circled it and I sent it to my friends and was like, I'm famous. In a split second, you could see my shadow.
The best cheerleader anyone needs. Thank you. We are in the train and on our way to Pramming.
Yes.
So we have to, and then we have like half an hour in Pramming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna chill, talk, chat, do other things, maybe take a nap, listen to music. We are already in Sura.
It's a temple.
We went the wrong direction. Yeah, it's very difficult to pronounce. See you around. It's okay to put your hand on the lens.
Oh yeah, I was like,
yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to do it again?
We'll do it again. Okay, that's it. See you around.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up.
So we made it to Ribe.
Yes.
And now, because it's raining, so we have to do, as you said, some fast walking, right? We made it to the Danhostel Ribe, and the reception is closed. Of course, I didn't read the confirmation email. And it's raining like crazy, so we were all drained in rain.
Maybe you should fill my hair.
You look nice though. The hair looks very nice, but it's wet. Yeah. Oh my god. We had only one umbrella, so I selfishly had it on me all the way. No, but we changed.
Always wanted to do this.
Like in the movies,
like
right?
In the
and
movie.
Run.
Or
so romantic. I'll take you out a little bit. Let's go and see the rain. We are gonna go to a second-hand shop to see if they have any raincoats.
It's not even so bad, and you can actually.
Oh no. So we ended up in the second-hand shop.
Yeah.
Maybe I get this. So I just bought this cardigan.
Huh?
The hangers are spoons.
I mean, that's
These are cute. Oh my god, look at that. Rainy day.
Oh, that's a kind
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
And it's rainy and it's windy and oh my god, look at this.
You finally broke your hair.
I finally broke my hair and my camera. Good morning guys, day 2. It's crazy, it's so windy and I don't think I can film when we're outside because look at this. The view is gorgeous though and I'm late for breakfast. Okay, so we are in Esbjerg. Yay! We made it, and it's actually quite boring. Don't tell anyone. But we haven't seen anything. We were at the train station. We took the bus because we decided to go and see the 4 men. The 4 penguins.
Human on beach.
Human on beach. That's what it's called. We are excited to see that one. It's windy, it's rainy. I put away my umbrella, so I'm not sure how much we can film. And oh, we can already see them. Yes. Yeah, look at them. They are huge. But it was beautiful. It was fun. I love the wind. And it's not raining, yay! I threw my umbrella out. It was broken, so yeah. Now we are going to take the ferry to an island called Fana. It's gonna be beautiful. They're gonna be old houses, and they're gonna be seals. We're gonna see seals. Yes. Yes. High five for seals. So guys, we are in Fana and in Sønderhå.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud.
We're tired. We're waiting for the bus. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous here.
And we had the sun on a whole time here.
Yeah.
It was like
No rain. Amazing. And it was sunny. Wonderful. Beautiful.
slapped by sand.
We got slapped by sand.
Oh my goodness. Skin like a peeling this? Oh my god, I still have sand in my face.
Yeah, me too. We have to wash our faces.